Greetings YouTube, Semaj Skyflash here once again, here for part 3 of Leathercraft the Bulbasaur. First of all, a recap on what we've been doing so far as we are assembling the Bulbasaur bulb today. As you may recall from our last video, I was dyeing up the leaves nice and green. The dye didn't want to go as green as I wanted at first, but I'm happy to say, here they are, all greened up, looking nice, ready to put on to the belt strap, which I have created. And I also have that here as well, looking very nice and green, might I say. One other thing that I have done, I've added these rather nice looking viney straps to give off the vine whip effect for Bulbasaur. That's it, they're going to help support it on me as I wear it and also provide a nice aesthetic for the Bulbasaur cosplay. How I've made them is I've basically got a 3/4 inch leather strap, which I've dampened down and made wet so it's more pliable, and then I've basically twisted it around into a nice coil sort of shape to give off a nice vine effect, and then I've simply painted it with a green leather acrylic paint. They're nice and dry now. I've also added some Velcro onto the strap as well. That's what's going to support it around my midriff. All that's left now is, with the holes that I've put all the way around the outside, I've just got to attach said leaves. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And then I can show you off the finished cosplay ready for Comic-Con, which is today is Friday. Comic-Con is in 2 days. Well, actually no. Comic-Con actually starts today, but I'm going on the Sunday. So, here we go. Okay, so commence attaching the leaves. What we're going to do first of all is use the thinner, narrow, non-patterned leaves to go around the diagonal corners of the belt strap, and then what's going to happen is the other ones that have got the patterns in them will then go around the other sides to fill in the blanks, because these ones will come up and over to the inside, and then the other ones will form around the outside to give off the leafy Bulbasaur bulb effect. So to attach our leaves, we're going to be using our good old rivets again. For this we need our rivet setter and our nylon hammer. Since we're just attaching this today, this is only going to be a quick video, I dare say. Still, this is what it has all boiled down to. Assembling this bulb and completing this cosplay. Now we attach the bigger patterned leads to go around the outside to fill in the blanks. Exciting part of bringing it all up together and attaching it at the top, and we're going to do that using some garden wire, which I'm going to thread through the holes in the top that I've got of all of the leaves so it comes together. So we do the diagonal leaves first. have one Bulbasaur bulb. Just going to show this off to you now. This has come out so well. This is exactly what I imagined when I first created this. In fact, it's even better than I first imagined, to be honest. I'm really quite taken with this. I'm so proud of this. Forgive me for patting myself on the back, but yeah, I'm gonna. Right, only thing I'm going to do now, everybody, is I'm going to show you what this looks like on me. So, that's the top part. What we do, I'm going to stand back a bit and show you this. There we go. The straps come up over me like that. Twisted. There we go. That comes around me like that. Gives off the Bulbasaur bulb on my back there. Love it. Actually quite weighty when it's all together like this. And then of course, we've got the Bulbasaur claws that we made previously. 1 and 2, like them. And then for added effects as well, from Amazon or eBay, I can't remember now, I bought a Bulbasaur hat. Silly, I know, but that's just me. I'm weird like that and I love doing things like this. Right. This has been a complete and total success, everybody. And I hope you have all enjoyed watching. Thank you ever so much. As I say, I'm really quite proud of this. This has come together ever so well, this Bulbasaur cosplay, and I'm really looking forward to showing it off on the Sunday when I go to Comic-Con. Anybody who does go to the Comic-Con, I'll probably see you there. Thank you ever so much. And yeah, I hope you've all enjoyed watching. Cheers and take care, everybody. Like, comment and subscribe if you could please, that'd be grand. Really enjoyed this and I hope you've enjoyed it too. Thank you ever so much. Cheers and take care. All the best to you. Bye for now. Bulbasaur.